Replacing your windows is one of the best ways to improve comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal in your Rockford home. But did you know that the time of year you schedule your installation can influence the process and results? Seasonal weather conditions in Rockford, ranging from freezing winters to hot, humid summers, affect everything from the type of materials used to the ease of installation. Understanding these impacts helps you plan wisely for your next home upgrade. Winter. Challenges of cold temperatures. Rockford winters bring freezing temperatures, snow, and icy winds. While it's still possible to install windows during this season, there are unique challenges. Sealant performance. Caulk and other sealing materials don't adhere as effectively in extremely cold weather, which can compromise insulation. Indoor exposure. During installation, rooms may briefly be exposed to outdoor temperatures, which can make your home feel uncomfortable. Scheduling flexibility. Contractors often have lighter schedules in winter, so you may have more flexibility in booking. If winter is your only option, professional installers take precautions, such as working on one window at a time and using cold weather materials to ensure proper sealing. Spring. Ideal for balanced conditions. Spring in Rockford brings milder temperatures and less extreme weather, making it one of the best times for window installation. Moderate temperatures allow sealants to cure properly. Reduced indoor disruption compared to winter installations. Perfect timing for energy savings. New windows will be ready before the heat of summer. Spring also gives you time to address any damage from winter, such as drafts or condensation, before they worsen. Summer. Heat and humidity considerations. Hot, humid summers in Rockford create their own set of challenges for window replacement. Expansion of materials. High heat can cause window frames to expand slightly, which may affect precise fitting if not installed properly. Humidity issues. Moisture in the air can slow the curing process for caulking. Busy season. Summer is a popular time for home projects, so contractor schedules may book up quickly. Despite these factors, summer remains a practical time for installation, especially for families who want to take advantage of school breaks or vacation schedules. Fall. Preparing for the cold ahead. Fall is another excellent season for window installation in Rockford. The cooler, drier weather is ideal for ensuring a perfect fit and strong seals. Pre-winter readiness. Installing in fall means you'll enjoy energy savings throughout the cold months. Reduced humidity. Caulks and adhesives cure effectively in the dry, cool conditions. Comfortable indoor environment. Your home is less likely to feel uncomfortable during short installation periods when windows are removed. Because many homeowners schedule projects before winter arrives, it's wise to book early if you're considering fall installation. Year-round professional solutions. No matter the season, professional installers in Rockford are equipped with tools, techniques, and materials to handle the local climate. For example, cold weather caulking ensures strong seals in winter. Moisture-resistant materials hold up well in humid summers. Efficient work practices minimize indoor exposure during extreme weather. By working with experienced professionals, you can feel confident that your windows will perform well, no matter when they're installed. Final thoughts. The season you choose for window installation in Rockford impacts not only the process but also your comfort, costs, and energy savings. While spring and fall often provide the most favorable conditions, skilled professionals can deliver reliable results year-round with the right materials and preparation. If you're planning to upgrade your windows, consider your seasonal priorities, whether it's staying warm in winter, beating the summer heat, or preparing your home for the year ahead. With professional installation, your new windows will enhance comfort, protect against Rockford's changing weather, and add lasting value to your home.